Welcome back, fellas. Video number 14 of the Monte Carlo starts now. Well, guys, Monday morning, here we go. Video 14. Monte Carlo, we gotta wrap this thing up this week. 3 days, gonna thrash. I gotta get this thing in some primer. I'm off on Saturday, Sunday, all the way to like the 3rd. 2 weeks off after this. So I got 3 days to knock this out. Got to go to work for a few days, and then I'm off for like 2 weeks. I took those 2 weeks off specifically to try to get this damn car finished and to get started on my own personal shit. So we got to wrap this thing up. If you guys did watch video number 13, you know, we left off in the same old crap. Everything's gapped and aligned. All I'm left to do is block. I need to add a shim here to this back hinge, just a little bit. I need to still do one more little adjustment to this hood hinge. Maybe drop it just a tad. It needs to go down, so I think it's the front. I gotta mess with it, but I gotta drop this down a little bit. We gotta block the rest of this door here with this fender, and we gotta finish fine-tuning this. We gotta mess with that pan, which I'm not in a big hurry for the pan. We gotta gap this a little better here, and I want to clean this gap right here. There's a spot right here that's a little wide that I don't like. Other than that, guys, car is very ready to go. I decided what I'm gonna do to the car this time around. I'm gonna lay 2 heavy coats of primer on this front clip because there was a lot of body work involved in it. So I don't know why this is doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay 2 thick coats of primer on this front clip, real heavy, because there was a lot of body work involved, as you can tell. And then what I'm going to do from there, I'm going to lay probably, I guess what I should say is from the doors forward, I'm going to lay 2 thick coats of primer. Because of course I'm going to reblock them one more time with 600, but the 2 coats of primer should pretty much get everything as flat and straight as I need it. If I missed anything, whatever, any waves, whatever, it should be able to block out with 2 coats. So from the doors back, from the B pillar here back, the whole, basically the quarter, the trunk and the top, I'm only gonna do 1 slow pass of high build on it. Pretty much that's just to cover my ass reassurance, because it's been sitting here for a while. I just want to throw 1 more coat on it because of course there is some spots that needed to be spotted in, and then the trunk too. I kind of wanted just to go over the whole thing 1 more time, get it all in 1 color, and then we'll go through with some guide coat after a few days of letting it sit, and we'll go ahead and we'll block it down with 600, and hopefully we'll have no imperfections. But like I said in video 13, guys, we're gonna wrap up the body work. We're gonna get this thing in primer. I'm gonna blow it apart completely, fix what needs to be fixed underneath the hood, paint the inside of the fenders, fix the door pin, touch up the jambs. I'm going to reassemble it back to this stage, and then we're going to guide coat it, and then we're going to hit it with the 600. And at that point, it should be ready to go. If there is any flaws or any imperfections I do not like, I will address them right away, spot prime it, and we're off. It'll be ready for sealer. So at that point, what I will do is I'll move this car out of the garage into the street or the driveway. We're going to hose it down. We're going to wash it down really, really well. We're going to blow everything out. We're going to clean it really good. Clean shop out. Put the car back in here. Take the wheels off of it. get it on some jack stands, start taping and masking off anything that needs to be masked, and close up the booth. We're going to get it all situated, and we'll be ready for our number 15 video. Well, I can't sit here and talk all day, guys. I got a lot of work to do in a short amount of time. Like I said, as long as I can keep on trucking, I got 2 weeks off. So either way, this car will be done by the end of this damn month. And we're going to go from there. So let me get started, and I'll give you guys an update here shortly. Alright guys, we did as much as we could this week. We're almost there. So we're still going to paint this thing on video 15. We are on video 14, and let me show you guys where I'm at. Let's see what you think. All right, she's fully back in primer, fully guide coated, fully lined up, fully ready to go. All I got left to do is this corner of this hood needs to be pushed down just a little bit. I'm going to fix that when we take this hood off. So everything seems to be good, but there may be a little bit more body work to do on this fender maybe, and maybe on this little piece of this hood here. I can still feel a little weird dent there that I cannot find or figure out what it is or how it's, I don't know what's going on there. I can feel it right here. I've blocked it, I've skimmed it, I've done everything. I don't know what it is. I can't even see it in the shine of the light. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But in this stage, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wet sand it and define these lines out, fix any imperfections that are left over. I made a boo-boo. I dropped the damn fan and hit this. So this right here is all chewed up. So we'll have to clean that up again. But the gaps in the lines, chingon, bro. Both sides. Look at these things. Ow. Bad, bro. Gaps, cherry. So I ran out of freaking guide coat. I gotta buy a whole bunch of shit. So that's where I'm gonna leave this one for now. I gotta work for the next 3 days. I'll be back out here on Saturday, and on Saturday I'm gonna go ahead and wet sand this entire damn car and see what's left. If anything's gonna be left, it's gonna be on this fender and this hood. The other fender, I think we're good. So pretty much where I'm at is we'll wet sand the whole car in 600. We'll fix whatever's left. We'll spot prime it. The body should be good to go. I'm gonna blow it apart from there. We'll take this hood off. Rick's gonna come help me. We're gonna take this hood off. I'm gonna tweak that corner just a little bit. Put the hood back on. Make sure it's good. And then pretty much from there, we'll take both front fenders off. I may have to take the doors off. I think what I'm going to do is just pin them both one more time. I'm going to make sure they're pinned correctly, and then I'll pull them off, leave the hinges on the doors. I'm going to go ahead and wet sand everything inside the jambs, fix the chips and dings and things that I've done in there. We're doing all this work. I'm going to repaint what I need to, re-clear them. Of course, do the inside of the fenders, under the hood, and then we're going to put it all back together again, and it'll look just like this, but completely wet sanded in 600, ready to go. We are almost there. It's going to get done this week for sure, because I am off for the next 2 weeks after Friday. So during that 2 weeks, this car will be completely finished, painted, on the trailer, ready to go back to its owner, and we're gonna be good. So then we'll start the new video of number 15 of the paint, and we're gonna go from there. So I'll see you guys on Saturday.